Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about generative AI. Generative artificial intelligence is one of the most popular, most high-bid domain at this point. That is the smaller set of artificial intelligence model you are seeing these days. But generative AI is really exploded in the recent past. That everybody really is interested, and every other days there is new model coming up. So I thought, why don't we make video explain what is generative AI and how does impact us, like for example, why is it even big deal, and for that we need to understand a little bit of knowledge workers, and also we can understand what kind of generative model are right now available and what are the applications that people are building up on top of it, and then finally we can how the future going to look like and what you can do about generative AI. So this is what we are going to cover in this video. The reason why I want to make this video because I see that there is not a lot of information about generative AI at this point, and that's the whole reason. So let's get started. First thing, what is generative AI? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create wide variety of data such as images, videos, audios, text and 3D models. It does things by learning pattern from existing data, then using this knowledge to generate new and unique outputs. Gen AI is capable of producing highly realistic and complex content that mimics human creativity, making it valuable tool for many industries such as gaming, entertainment and product design. Recent breakout field such GPT is for generative predefined transformer and mid-journey have significant advanced capability of Gen AI. The advancement have opened up new possibility for using Gen AI to solve complex problems, create art and even assist in scientific research. The power of generative AI. Generative AI has taken the world by storm, revolutionizing the way we communicate, work and innovate. ChatGPT, with the 100 million users, testament and rapid adoption and widespread impact of cutting-edge technology. Its stable diffusion popularity on GitHub only reinforces its transformative potential. Even its early stage, generative AI is already shaped the future across various domains and influenced our lives as of growth exponential. Embracing the powerful tech will open doors and unimaginable possibilities, using the new eras of creativity, efficiency and progress. Let's dive deep into some application. First, text generation. Text generation involves using machine learning model to generate new text based on pattern learned from existing text data. The model used for text generation can be Markov chain, recurrent neural network and most recently transformers, which have revolutionized the field due to their extended attention span. Text generation has numerous applications in real natural language and chatbot and content creation. Example of text generation is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI, a successful platform for text generation to generate human-like response in chat conversations. Second, video and speech generation. Video generation involves deep learning methods such as GANs and video diffusion to generate new video by predicting frames based on previous frame. Video generation can be used in various fields such as entertainment, sport analysis and autonomous driving. Video generation can be often seen we use speech generations. The model used for speech generation can be powered by transformers. Speech generation can be used for text-to-speech conversations, visual assistance and voice cloning. Example of video and speech generation is a platform such as Deep Brain and synthesis utilization video and speech generation create realistic video content and appear as human for speaking on camera. Third one is data augmentation. Data augmentation is processing of generating new trained data by applying various image transformations such as flipping, cropping, rotating and color jittering. The goal is increase the diversity of trained data, avoid overfitting, which can lead to better performance of machine learning models. Example of data augmentation is synthesis AI. Synthesis AI applies for process of building and optimizing machine learning model by providing a platform for creating AI models using automated machine learning techniques and much more. Generative AI has diverse range of applications that go behind text, video, image, speech generation and data augmentation.
For instance, it can be used for music generation, game development, healthcare, and more. In healthcare, generative AI can help generative synthesis medical data to train machine learning models, develop new drug candidates, and design clinical trials. There are just some examples of many possibilities of generative AI and technology advances. We can expect to see more application emerge. It can accessing time to drive in generative AI in this field early stage. Those who gain necessary skill and knowledge have opportunity to shape in future. Get ready for the exciting journey.